Hi, this is Digital Angela, and today we'll work with layers. We'll start with how to create a new blank layer or delete one. I have two documents that are open right now. You can see them by the tabs at the top. And we'll create a new blank layer by going to our Layers panel and clicking on this Create New Layer button. Now we have a new layer, and we can also delete that layer by clicking on the trash can, or we can also drag it to the trash can. You can also right-click on layers and delete them in that manner. Now we're going to move one layer from one document into another. So this Earth image will drag it over to the other image. I'm going to click on the icon, click, hold, and drag over, and hover on the tab and drag it down and let go. Now we have this background image plus this new layer. I'm going to make a copy of a layer, so I can hit Command, hold the Command key and tap the J key, and that'll make a copy of a layer. Or if this was a selection, you can also make a copy of the selection. Now we're going to reorder layers. If I wanted to move these layers around, I can click on the layer, click, hold, let me cancel that, click, hold, and drag. And when I see the blue line, that means it's moved into position and it's being dropped there. That's how to reorder your layers. This particular image is a background image. I can make a copy of it, Command J, or undo, Command Z, or unlock it by clicking on the lock button so that I can then move that layer into a different position. Now I'm going to delete this extra. I think I can use that image. Well, we'll delete this extra layer 1 by clicking on the trash can and clicking yes. Now I have this layer. I'll move it above. Wait till it turns blue and let go. I also see that it is the wrong size, so I want to change the size of this layer. I'm going to hit Command T, and that is transform. You can also find that in the edit menu. So I will then hold the Shift key and click, hold, and drag at a diagonal angle. Again, hold the Shift key and drag down. If I don't hold the Shift key, then it could possibly get too tall or too wide. I'm going to hit Command Z to undo and put it in position here, and double click on it or hit return. I can also hide a layer from view by clicking on the layer visibility icon. If I click on it, then that layer is now invisible. I can click again to show that layer. Now we'll blend my current layers with other layers. I'm going to go to the blend mode, which is this tab here that says normal, and I have this layer, this top layer selected. I'm going to click on it and scroll down to the lighten option. By using that blending mode, the two images blend together, and where the image was dark, the image of the Earth is visible. Now we'll practice making a new color fill layer. By clicking on the 1, 2, 3, 4th icon over, click on Solid Color, and you'll see the color picker shows up, and you have a new layer that's a color fill. And you can click on any color that you want. If you scroll down through here, this red color is good for now, and I will click OK. Now I can blend this red into the other two layers by clicking on the blend mode, and I can try the first option, which is darken, and that gives it a unique look. You can then try any of the other layers to see how they will look. Great, thanks for watching. This is Digital Angela.